And he's into it. Big stoppie, right on the crowd. Here we go, a little bit of ballet dancing once again. He's got his back pegs out. And here we go, up on the back wheel. How graceful is that? Come on, put it together for him. Hey, it's not often you will see that. Like I was saying, ladies and gentlemen, this is not something for home. Wow. Okay, here we go. This is the legs over the handlebars. This is a high chair burnout. High chair burnout. That's the way. Starting to smoke it up. Come on, Jazz, you can do better than that. Come on, give it. And here we go, one big burnout. Well, there you go. Smoking Joe. See? How graceful is that? Nothing like a delicately balanced bike. Come on, put your hands together for him. That's good. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Jar will be back again tomorrow. 2 shows tomorrow, 11 o'clock and 2 o'clock. And for those of you that are staying here this evening, we've got plenty of entertainment coming up.